Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat. Thanks for checking out this video. In this video, I want to talk about a little bit about shitcoins. Okay, how to find them, and the strategy I use to basically profit from them. Okay, so this one's going to be interesting. Stick around to the end. So not all shitcoins are created equal. Some of them are pretty good. Most of them are shit though, but you get the odd one that's pretty good, and it tends to stick around, has some longevity to it, and you can make a ton of money. So stick to the end. I'm going to give you my top 2 things that I look for to determine if a shitcoin project will be successful or not. Okay, so you're going to just stick to the end. Okay, so how do I find these shitcoins? Well, the way that I find them is I look on YouTube. Okay, that's always a lot of shitcoins, but YouTube is a little bit slower because people are actually going to make the video and then they've got to upload it. However, that takes like a couple of hours, and by the time if the project's already launched, it's already too late. So better places to find are Telegram groups. They're always active, and there's a lot of Telegram groups out there. There's tons of Telegram groups that are just pump shit coins all the time. So you got to determine whether it's worth getting into or it's just a scam, which I'll talk about in a second. Twitter's also another good spot. Just go to Twitter and just type in just like hashtag pre-sales. Just search for words like this, and when you see like a project, just subscribe to them or follow them, and then Twitter will give you more suggestions, and then start following them. Another one would be meme coin. So just look for all these tags, and then you'll be able to find out which one is which. So here, so you could look this up and then follow those people, and then they will follow you, or you'll follow those people, and so forth. See, so here's another one here, Solana meme coin. So this is another one that's just showed up. So I'll just follow that, and just keep on doing that, and you'll see a lot of this stuff pop up in your feed. Another good place is Reddit. They pump a lot of coins in Reddit, so you can get a lot of information there. Also ads on websites. Okay, when you go to these different exchanges, I know PooCoin does it as well. You can have a look at all these are all ads. See all these banners and stuff, they're all ads, so you can click on them to find new shitcoins. Then there's private groups. So private groups, closed groups, you can find them either on Facebook, or you can find them on Telegram, either free or paid. Obviously we've got our own paid group. All right, I find that the paid groups are more quality than free groups, but the free groups is a lot of spam, but you can still pick up some gems. Also online relationships with other fellow crypto enthusiasts, people that are in this same space as you are. Get to know them, connect with them, and they'll tell you about these projects before anyone else. And also masterminds, which is kind of like another level up above these paid groups, and it's usually just a closed door type of affair, only like a small number of people, and they're the ones you want to get into these masterminds. I don't know how you could just, the way you find them is just through relationships. So what to look for, you want to check if the team is transparent. I mean, in the way that what they're saying is transparent. Like most of these teams are just anonymous, but if they're going to say something and then they can back it up with links or with whatever they're saying, that's always a good thing. You want to check if the liquidity is locked. So the liquidity is locked if they're on PancakeSwap. It's locked. In other words, they can't pull the liquidity and do a rug. So that's always very important. That's the first thing I look for, is liquidity locks. You want to see if there's a strong marketing team, because if they don't have a strong marketing team, then they're going to fail. Okay, it's because there's so many of these shitcoins projects popping up you know, it's not going to get enough attention, and people won't be attracted to the project. So there's going to be a lot of buzz, a lot of social activity, and one way to do this is obviously with an ad budget. So some of their actual tokens will be allocated to an ad budget. They'll buy ads, or they'll buy sponsored reviews through YouTube, or even people on TikTok. They're doing videos, and people pay them to do videos. Also, the website, it's not really important, but it's got to look somewhat professional. It can't just be like a dodgy little thing knocked up on WordPress in in 5 minutes. It's got to be somewhat professional looking, because investors are going to come, and if they see something really sort of sketchy, they won't invest. So although it's not really that important, but it's still important. So let's just go and roll this video, and you'll get some insights on just stuff that I've been looking at with shitcoins, and then we'll come back in a second. Sometimes you're going to get these coins just on the fly. It's just, you just have to get them at the right time. See, so this one here, it's called Dodge House, and it's already pumped. This is probably the best entry point here, but it's already pumped. But then it dropped. People were taking huge profits, and it went down to here. Okay, now I saw it about here, and then I was looking at the Telegram group. So they were talking about the Telegram group, pumping it in there, and then what they did was admin said that they just a couple of people on TikTok started pumping it. So this one here, this guy here, all right, he's got 791 million followers. See, if you look at his videos, they all get some of them get 12,000, some of them get 50,000, 18,000, 200,000, 100,000, and so this one here, this is the Dogecoin one, Dodge House.
I am back with a new token that you gotta check out. This token is called the Doghouse, and the pre-sale literally filled in 1 second. Like I said, this just launched and it's really starting to moon. You can get updates about this coin on Telegram, their website, and of course their new Twitter page. Go ahead and check them out right now. And of course, go ahead and like, follow, share to be updated with everything crypto. I am back with a new...
See, so that's all he does. He just does these videos on this. And as you can see here, people are watching him. There's 198,000, 200,000, 100,000, 200,000, 78,000, 71,000. This one he's only at 206 views, right? And so that's why I kind of got into this. Again, some of this stuff, you just have to wing it. You just have to know. You can't teach this stuff. You just pick it up from experience. So this is it here. I got in at, this is what I bought, whatever that amount is. I got in at 0.10. So I'm already starting to make a little bit of profit, okay, because I bought the dip here. I basically bought it right here, and it's starting to go up. People are selling off because there was a huge sell-off here, right? And I thought, I'm going to get into this on the dip. There was 9,000, 6,000, 8,000 people just cashed out. People that were pumping in the Telegram group, right? But looking at this guy's here, right? Let me just refresh. Let's see what it's up to now. So it's still up to 251 views. It still could potentially get another 70 or 100,000 views. So I think that this will continue to go up, all right, slowly. But also there's this guy here. He's not as big. He's already also pumped it. This is it here.
This is a crypto for anybody that likes dogs. This is called Doge House, and the name alone gives it a lot of potential. You basically earn money just by holding the coins, because 5% is passively rewarded when people buy and sell. And as a community, each week you decide which animal shelter that you're going to donate to. So yes, it is a really awesome charity coin, but it also has some uses that they're planning on for the future.
So that's his video here. It's only got 706 videos. He doesn't views. He doesn't get as much. But so I think that this is going to pump still. Or it's dropped back down here now. People are still buying it and selling it. But hopefully I can get this pumping, because a couple of these TikTok guys are still pumping, and also what they're doing is they're pumping it in the Reddit. All right, it's pretty active here. And if you scroll up, yeah, basically they've got a couple of Reddits going and tweets. So they really want to pump this coin, and as more people see it, more people get onto it. And so that's one of the tactics, the marketing tactics these guys use. But it definitely works, because we saw with Safemoon that literally just mooned it. People became millionaires, and now these guys are trying to do it with these other shit coins. So the tactic does definitely work, but you really to make these, to get into these profits, you really got to literally just get into the right time, literally. So you see the dump then, and it just took another dump. So I'm probably down. Yeah, I'm down now. See. So that just goes to show you that how quickly things can turn. But we'll see how this goes. If this goes down anymore, I'll probably get out. But it's not a lot of money. I'm only put 0.1 into it, but it's very insightful to give you these sort of to show you how these things work. So as a newbie, when you're getting into these shitcoins, you really got to be able to look at the landscape, see what these guys are doing, get in at the right time. And it's really that's all it is. It's just about timing, really. But if you would have got in here, it's now dropped back down to where it kind of like pumped initially. You would have got in here, you would have been laughing. So it's literally all about timing. The number two things when I'm looking at shitcoin projects is timing. Okay, obviously with MemePad we got in there really early. We got in there at 2 cents or less than 2 cents. And now it's 8 cents. It went to 10 cents. So you want to get in there really early. That's pretty important. And the last thing is marketing. If they don't have a strong marketing, then the project's not going to go anywhere. Right? Now, these are shit coins. They're not projects that are going to build and evolve. And they just you just get into them. They'll pump. You take your profit and get out. That's basically it. All right. So that's why marketing is really important, because if they don't have a good, strong marketing, or they have like a meme contest and stuff like that, if they don't have anything like that, then no one's going to invest in it, and people are just going to dump their bags. I've seen pre-sales that just have gone wrong because no one bought into it, they didn't promote it, and then everyone dumped. So yeah, these are the two things that I look for. So once you've got your shit coins and you're making profit, they've gone up, what do? Well, the golden rule is to always withdraw your seed out, and so you just have like house money tokens left. You're taking your seed out, there's no risk, and you can just ride it to to the moon, pretty much. You can decide when you want to take out the rest of the money, sell off your tokens and just get out completely. Or you might just want to stay longer and longer and make more profit. But always take your seed out at some point. And the longer that you leave your seed money in, the more tokens you'll have left over when you withdraw. For example, if you've doubled up your money and you take your seed out, that means you'll be left with 50% of your tokens. If you wait longer, to 3x, 4x, the longer you wait, the larger amount of tokens you have left, because obviously they'll be worth more, and then when you pull your seed out, it'll mean that you're taking less tokens out, right, to take your seed money out, and then the tokens you have left will be more. All right, so the longer you leave your seed money, the more tokens you have left over. So the way I judge that is based on the project. If it's like a just a quick flip and it's just a pump and dump, I'll just withdraw my money, like, maybe at 50% of my seed out will come out, like, literally at 1x. You know what I mean? But if it's a really good longer project, like memepad's, it's kind of like, it's got some legs to it. It'll probably be around for a little while. Then I sort of took my money out at 4x. So when I took my money out, it just meant that I just had more tokens left. So you have to kind of judge it by the quality of the project. Alright guys, so I hope that has given you some ideas on what to do, on how to play with these shitcoins. Because these shitcoins, you can make some really good money with them, but if you don't follow the rules, like take your seed out as soon as you make profit, then you're just going to get owned. You're going to get played, so you don't want to do that. So these things are just in and out, that's it. That's all they are, okay? Don't fall in love with them. Hope I've given you some insights on what to do with these shitcoin projects. In our Patreon group, we have, we find the shitcoin projects, we get into them, make profit and get out. And the last one that we got into was obviously this one here, memepad, and a lot of people made really good profits with this. And I was just telling people in the Telegram group, take your seed out, take your seed out, take your seed out. Okay, so make good money on it. Take your seed out. There'll always be another one. And if you want to get into these projects, you want to find out which projects that we get into before I even announce any of them. Some of them I don't even announce on my YouTube channel. Then consider joining our Patreon group to get these low cap gems and even shitcoin gems early. Okay, the link will be below in the description. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget the subscribe button and bell notification. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.